modern, professional, battery test equipment manufacturer, reliable industrial-grade test solutions. A battery that survives at 11.6 kilopascals, the pressure at 15,000 meters above sea level, is a battery you can trust. Meet the RT-2106 simulated high-altitude low-pressure test chamber. Here's what it does, and exactly how to operate it. The RT-2106 simulates high-altitude, low-pressure conditions for battery safety testing, meeting UL, EN, IEC, and GB/T31241 requirements. It's a critical safety gate for any battery maker, pack builder, or testing lab. Here's why it stands out. Intelligent touchscreen control, a 2 to 100 kilopascal pressure range, 0.1 kilopascal accuracy, and fluctuation within 5%. The vacuum pump is built in, so there's no external pump to buy or set up. And safety is built in too, an emergency stop, overpressure protection, an explosion-proof door chain, and an automatic alarm that releases the vacuum when the cycle ends. All in a SUS304 stainless chamber with a toughened glass window and 4 casters for easy moving. First of all, let's open the following. Put the battery on the storage rack. 3-layer storage shelf. Layers are optional. Put the batteries on the storage rack. Close the door. Latch up the explosion-proof chain. Turn the power on. Go to the operating screen. Set your required pressure here. We normally set it to 11.6. This displays corresponding to a height. This is runtime for test. This is the lighting. Turn on the light for easy observation. This is pressure relief switch. Release the pressure after the test. Click this setting. This is a time setting. We can open it. It usually takes 30 minutes. Let's set 0.3. It is 30 minutes for test, then return. This is the curve. You can view a curve of this run. Once set up, we can start and click run. Its machines will run. This is a data export. Plug in the USB, then click curve. Click this. When you plug in the USB flash drive, the text will turn black. You can click to export. You can choose the time. Return. It will stop pressurizing automatically once reaching the set pressure value. It'll be stable now. After finishing the test, it will release pressure automatically after the test ends. Meanwhile, an alarm notification will be activated. The above is a brief guide. Please consult the instruction manual for full-scale operation steps or contact our team anytime.